1500 watts Philips HOV lamp photoreactor system manufactured by Lilisil Innovative System. The complete system has been tested for Glenmark Mahape. The main reactor capacity is 4.5 liters, whereas the secondary reactor capacity through which water or product is being currently circulated is 5 liters. The unique design is called as a flow reactor design, in which liquid is being circulated between two reactors, in which the lamp is placed in the center. The heat given or generated by the lamp is around 169 or 170 degrees. The product temperature currently is 46 degrees. Three temperatures are maintained. Here you see a chiller which is currently circulating water at 11 degrees. The outlet temperature of the chiller is monitored, which is 18 degrees. This temperature is useful for cooling the heat generated by the lamp. Specific Philips lamps generate a high amount of heat or exothermic heat generated, which needs to be cooled using a chiller. Here you will also see a peristaltic pump which is currently circulating with a indicator of 130, that is 130 into 10, 1.3 liters per minute is the flow rate of the liquid which is being circulated between the two jackets. A magnetic drive is continuously stirring liquid in the secondary reactor. Current RPM set which is 1000. The lamp is a three-phase lamp. The power supply which is developed by Lilisil Innovative Systems. The unique power supply here you see is current voltage of the lamp is 420. Lamp current is 7.5 to 8 amperes. Output voltage has to be regulated, which is currently indicated at 230. The unique feature of this system is an igniter switch, which helps in taking the current from 410 to 230. A hour meter has been provided so as to know how much lamp has been used. The complete system is being pre-tested at Lilisil before dispatch to Glenmark. A unique cooling arrangement has been provided at the top. Here you see two 6-inch fans cooling the setup, a 3-phase power supply with two phases coming inside. Contact parts are Teflon, silicon, central quartz double jacket to cool. The complete system is manufactured by Lilisil. A cloth has been placed across the reactor so that this video could be clicked. Here you see product being circulated